What's up, guys? So we are back in the S2000 and driving up to Omari's shop outside of Charlotte to go give him the paint for the FC, which I'm not going to tell you guys the paint color yet because I'll be a little surprised. I wanted to thank everybody that came over from David's channel to subscribe and follow along with all of my videos. You guys are awesome. We're at 758. I think I've gained over 100 subscribers in the past day, which is fantastic. You guys are awesome, so thank you for joining. Remember to share the channel with your friends and like the videos if you enjoy them, and just comment and let me know what you guys want to see. You guys are great, killing it. Thank you guys for the support. It means a lot. I'm slowly getting closer to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and that's just kind of the first step in YouTube. I feel like is hitting 1,000 subscribers, and then you just kind of go up from there. Yeah, so we're taking all of our paint over. We got that, and we're about to hit on 85 and just cruise for a while. So we'll get to the shop and I'll show you guys the prep that's been going on with the car and all that, and we'll just do a kind of little update video, and then I'll give you guys that shop tour I was talking about last weekend.
2 hours later.
After a semi-long 2-hour drive, we have made it through the shop, which is great. I'm happy to be out of the car. It's better than driving the FC though. So the FC drive here was worse. But let's grab our paint, go in there and see what's going on. I really wasn't expecting any bodywork to get done on the RX-7. Sand it, primer, spray it. That was the original plan. And we're doing bodywork, which I'm super pumped about because it just means this car is going to look even better now. So we're not going to have all the old track scars. We're going to have a blank canvas for new track scars, which is going to hurt me a little bit, but let's face it, it's a track car. It's going to get scars. People are going to hit it. People are going to bump it. I'm going to touch something, but that's life. So I'm super pumped for this new color. I hope you guys are gonna like it. I will probably show it to you. I don't know, if I'm up here when we're spraying, I'll show it to you. If not, you guys will see it when the car's done and we kind of reveal it, and then we'll figure out a livery after that, which I'll get some input from you guys on. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the paint prep process. I am not doing any of this. This is all my buddy Omari at Performance MD. We're using his whole shop, his paint booth, all his stuff. I just provided paint, and they're going to town and they are knocking this thing out. So I'm really pleased. Again, hit up Performance MD for all of your automotive needs, whether it's paint, big turbo 335s, big turbo nitrous 335s, or just any other performance work you want, or just maintenance stuff. Like, Omari will do it all. They're working on getting their new shop up and running, which I will show you guys because you haven't seen it yet, and I promised a little tour. So let's go on that tour. I guess we'll start in the paint booth area, or the paint area of the shop. We'll start there. So this is a new building that Omari's moved into. The landlord's got a lot of stuff in here still. That's like a 70-something convertible Mustang. But he's working on slowly cleaning stuff out and organizing. But this is going to be the paint side of their shop. We clearly have the FC. Got this blower thing to keep dust down when you're sanding. We've got our paint booth in here. So here's where we are going to spray my car, which is going to be super sick. I'm really pumped. So the stuff that's left to get done on my car is the whole passenger side needs to get done. As you guys can see, it's still the old shitty way it was, and so is the roof. And then the rear bumper needs to be done. But it's coming along really well. I'm very happy. And then we still have to do the flares and the mirrors, and then that's pretty much all that's left. This is my little area of parts that came off my car I put. Here's all of our paint stuff. So here's the paint shop. We'll go into the office area, like lobby, and then I'll show you the mechanical side, or the just normal shop. Here's kind of the front of the shop. We got like a little lobby area that Omari's got to clean up. Just random bumpers and wheels and a fender roller, some heads. Well, this will be a nice little lobby area. That Turbo 2 hood though, should I cut this one up too? I could do a giant fucking louver here for all you people that got mad at me for doing mine. These are two offices. Office 1, Office 2, giant old ass TV, holy crap. And then there's bathroom, kind of little area. And then this is where the shop divides into paint shop, auto shop. Back to our shop tour. We're about to go eat, but here's like the performance shop, performance side of the shop. 4 bays, 3 lifts. Mari's working on this turbo Prelude right now, trying to get that out. Here's a 4-cylinder EcoBoost motor going into a Ranger, so that thing's pretty tight. And then yeah, just engines on engines over here. That one, or a 4AG. Yeah. Old baby V6. Oh Mario, what's this baby V6 over here?
What?
What's this motor?
That is a 279 Tesla.
Oh shit. Those are the smallest pistons.
Yeah, that's...
Like they're tiny little pistons.
Yeah, that's tiny one.
Alright, that concludes the shop tour for the day. It's starting to rain. We want food. There's Omari. The black 50-cent looking dude. So we're gonna get food, and hopefully I'll come back, I don't know, next week, and we'll see the car some more. See what's up. So maybe we'll catch you guys later.